Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today it's going to be a Valentine's card. A little bit different. This one it's in the copper. We're going to do it in the silver. It's using the Arts framelit with the Gear Up Garage set and framelit. So let's get started. First thing we want to do, we want to take the big art with the stitch and cut. It's one that, you know, it's just the stitch, it don't cut. You want to make sure you get the double there. And we're going to use silver for this time. So we're going to cut this. Going to put that. So you want to cut the heart first. We're going to put that on the big shot. Let's roll this through. Now we're going to use, the embossing mat. The texture mat here. So we're going to remove this and remove the plate. So you just want the platform. You want a clear plate. Now you're going to take the gear from the Gear Up Garage. That's going to face up. This needs face up. I know it sounds funny, but you're going to, well, first I'd like to see where I want this. So I just put sideways here my gear. It's going to go like this. So the thing that cut gonna face up. Usually it go down, but in this case it face up. You're gonna take the blue mat, the fine one, put it at the top. Take the white plate that come with it, put that at the top, and let's roll this up. And it go just like cutting butter. You think it's nothing happening. Well, watch this. No, it don't cut our blue mat. Et voila! Is that cool? Now, I stamp with Versamark on another piece of silver, foil silver, and I emboss with black. Oh, I need my plate again. I'm going to put that there. Put a clear plate at the top, and then this little framelit there, that's from the garage, and we're going to put that right there. And it's very tiny and it want to slide, so let me take a piece of, if you get post-it note, or I'm just using a little piece of tape here, and we're going to put that right in the center here, and we're going to cut this. And now we got, oh, my tape was, here we go. Okay, we're going to just leave that aside there. Let me remove the big shot, and then we're going to do the card. Okay, now what we're going to do is take this piece out. I'm looking for, oh, I see it. Here it is. Now we're going to poke this. Let's remove this. Okay, on the copper, you see the black on it? We're going to do the same thing. Let me bring a piece of scrap paper that I had here. And we're going to use the stays on. Just this part and the heart. You're going to take your stays on and just drag. It's just make it more like masculine, or here we go. And then our little here we go. It's just add some character. It don't have to be done, but I just like it. And then I took a piece of tissue paper here and just wipe a bit. So now we got our heart done. I think it's so cool. And then this here, we can always do a different color, but I want it all in the same color. So what you're going to do, flip this upside down here, put this here. Now, so this is going to stay there. We could put layers too, but I'm leaving it just the way it is, plain. I had dimensional here someplace. So I'm going to put dimensional to grab the center and the side, so it's going to keep it together. Here we go. And I'm just going to put another one in the center. So now, voila. Okay, we got this done. I got a piece of cherry cobbler. I didn't do nothing on this one, on the cherry cobbler. This one here, it's the wood texture paper, and I embossed with it. This one I just left it plain, and this one measure 4 by 5 1/4, 1 1/4 wide by 4 for the black. I'm going to have the measurement for both cards on my blog. Just below in the description, you get the direct link, or above in the eye, the little icon there. And I got our back going to be silver, not silver, smoky slate, and that measure 4 1/4 by 11. Score at 5 1/2. Where you score, that's the indent and that's the raise up. So the mountain, the valley need to be outside so it don't crackle, and then you fold it and see it's smooth. If not, if you go the other way around, and if you don't score when it's cut on the long way, that's because of the grain of the paper. It's going to kind of crack and so on. So that's something you want to remember on the long way. Now for the inside, I'm going to put a piece of white cardstock for this one. And so this measure 4 by 5 1/4. And this little thing here, the smoke or whatever, that is from the Gear Up Garage. I'm going to put that there. Just add a little something. And meant to be for the inside, the Happy Valentine. That's the stamp set that match with the art framelit too. So both can be purchased in a bundle. I'm going to put my Happy Valentine's Day right there in cherry cobbler. Now let's mount this together. This is going to go on the inside. Very simple, but I think it's masculine. Looking at the stamp set for Valentine's, a lot of it's like girly girl. And I'm like, well, usually us, I mean, so I say us. I understand we get men that stamp too. But a lot of us are women. And I think it's important that we can make some masculine card. I don't want to give my husband some flower and lace and that. Plus, you know, I'm not a flower person. I mean, I'm kind of a flower person, but I rather do masculine card than lace and so on. This is just up my alley here. So that is there. We're going to put that right. Oh, I like these color much better. Much, much better. And we're going to put that in the back. So I think those gear there, it's make the very lovely. Going to put that right here. And then I wanted just a tiny, tiny little art. So I got a piece of scrap cherry cobbler here. And I get the cookie cutter punch builder. It's a tiny heart there. Going to take that. And that to glue on the silver, the foil there. What I done, it's take a piece, not a piece, but a glue dot, and just crunch it a bit. So it's almost going to raise it up because it's thicker, and it go right in the back. And I'm going to put that right on one of the gear there. Et voila, my friend. That is it. All simple, but it do the job, right? Et voila. So this is it for today. Again, both measurements going to be on my blog, and all the supplies you can shop 24/7 right there at FrenchieStamps.com. For the direct link for the, I'm going to have all measurement. It's right below. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye-bye for now.